Over the last year, we've had to answer the same question again and again from business owners. Should I be using ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot? But I would say that's the wrong question. It should be, what am I wanting my AI assistant to do, and which platform will do that better? Both tools are powerful, both use advanced AI models. In the next few minutes, I'll try and break down what these tools have in common, where they're different, and how to decide which one will make sense for your business. Let's start with basics, because ChatGPT and Copilot are very similar. At their core, both are AI assistants designed to hopefully make you more productive in your day. You can ask either one to draft an email, summarize a document, write code, generate images, brainstorm ideas, or potentially explain a complex topic. Depends on the topic. They both work across multiple devices, web browsers, mobile apps, desktop applications, and the last similarity is they both offer free versions and paid versions to unlock additional features. And though they seem like different AI models, Microsoft has invested heavily in OpenAI, which means some of the underlying AI technologies overlap. So when people say that one is way smarter than the other one, that's usually not the full story. The bigger difference comes down to how they're integrated and how they're being used. Let's start with Microsoft Copilot. If you have a company that already uses Microsoft tools every day, Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., Copilot fits directly into that environment. Instead of switching to a separate AI tool, Copilot exists inside of your apps. For example, in Outlook, Copilot can help you summarize emails or draft new ones. In Word, it can help you rewrite a paragraph or generate an outline. In PowerPoint, it can create slides based off of a prompt or documents. And in Teams meetings, Copilot can summarize discussions and pull out action items. The tight integration is really where Copilot shines. It's designed to live inside of your Microsoft ecosystem, so if your business already runs on Microsoft 365, Copilot can just make that better. And from a compliance standpoint, since it's all within Microsoft, you don't have to worry about feeding the large language models with your data. It all stays within your Microsoft tenant. You're basically adding an AI assistant to the tools your team already use every day. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. Where Copilot focuses on Microsoft apps, ChatGPT is a more general purpose AI workspace. Many users find it particularly useful for things like researching topics, brainstorming ideas, writing content, problem solving, and learning new concepts or writing programs. Because it isn't tied to a single software ecosystem, it can feel a bit more flexible than Copilot. Here are some examples. You could draft a blog post, make a marketing plan, write a script like this one, some of it was written by ChatGPT, analyze concepts, or ask questions across many different topics. ChatGPT often feels a little bit more like a thinking partner than Copilot does. Another advantage is that the platform frequently introduces new experimental features, tools, compatibilities that push the boundaries of what AI assistants can do. So for many users, ChatGPT becomes a place where they can go if they want to explore ideas or even think through something. This is where the conversation really lands. If you spend most of your time within Microsoft, Copilot is incredibly powerful for the work that you're doing. But if you're looking for something more flexible, for writing, research, brainstorming, general problem solving, ChatGPT often feels more natural. For a lot of businesses, ours included, you end up using both. Our management and admin team uses Copilot, and then our techs use ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence tools are evolving incredibly quickly. Both ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot are improving all the time. Instead of worrying about which one is better, it's often more useful to understand what each tool is best at and then use it for that reason. And chances are, as these platforms continue to grow, people will use both in their organizations. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.